My channel. This is the continuation video for the one which we just performed for the kernel debug. So this is the part 2 video. So if you have not watched the part 1 for the kernel debug, go ahead and watch that video and come back to this video and we'll continue. So I was talking about the checkpoint side. So I just did a NS lookup. Uh, and come to know the checkpoint firewall IP, I mean checkpoint site IP address. And this is the IP address 23.192.98.126. And now we are now talking about like how the packet is processing with respect to this IP address. So when you talked about, I mean, your customer, complaining that okay, some slowness is happening, some weird issues happening with his website access, something like that. So this sort of debugs output is very crucial for you guys to send them to the customer, stating that this is what the firewall is, performing your request. And looking at this, whatever your observation, as per that, you can, confirm your customer, whether the firewall is, deleting the data as it's supposed to do, or there is some issue with that. So I just wanted to explain you all this thing. Let me take my pen here. So we'll discuss each and every output here. Okay, all right. So consider this is the very first packet for this communication. Starting from here, consider like that. Okay. Give me one sec. Yes. So what is saying? Uh, the firewall kernel connection lookup cache. Okay. Uh, the packet which is stored into the firewall lookup cache, uh, how it is, I mean what is happening with that packet, what are the tuples or what are the packet details are getting stored. So that is what they have mentioned here. So it's saying that this is the packet entry. So the packet is coming from the source, which is 1.20, which taking the source port and it's going to the checkpoint side, and this connection is over port 80. So as we don't have the SSL certificate configuration, that's why it's taking port 80, and this is the next things. Okay, as we remember, we have seen there is a certificate acceptance error because of that, it taking the port 80. Now the next thing is that it's saying this packet is got processed by the CPU1 and the module, and it says the firewall lookup cache not found in connection table interval 0. So as this was the new connection entry, that's why this connection entry was not found into the connection table. That's what they have mentioned here. Then uh, it passes to the next process modules, which is stateful VM inbound. This is where the packet capturing stateful inspection happens for the first time when the new packet arrives. Now if you see here, if you look closely here, so as we know how the packet is processed with the mnemonics like small I, big I, small o, and big O. So small I indicate that when the packet hit to a firewall, okay, before actual module happens, I mean module communication happen to a firewall. So this is where they have mentioned, okay, before VM, okay, how the packet was, right, and is saying first seen. So guys, it's very deep analysis what we are dealing here. So if you are not understanding these things, just go ahead and watch my previous videos on a stateful packet inspection modules and everything. A lot of things are there on my channel. Just try to grab those details and then come back to this video and get the results from, I mean, understand from there. So this packet is first seen, and the next thing is happening now. So now the packet connection will be stored into the connection table, and then the rest of the things get shipped. For example, let me take this little bit up. So if you see here, uh, you can see the anti-spoofing is happening. Okay, the anti-spoofing is performing on the packet, and it check for that whether what is the status of the packet for the anti-spoofing, whether the anti-spoofing is enabled, what happening with that. Let me take this is a little bit up. I mean, excuse me. Yeah. So let's take it a little bit up. Let me clear the screen. This is my packet. Give me 1 sec. Okay. So we come back here again. So now, next thing, if you see, anti-spoofing what happened, then there is something called different templates or template table, whatever it is, that's get matched with this, and whatever the things happening with the packet, you will get those sort of messages. So it's very deep. If you see each and everything one by one, you will understand this well. Let me take it a bit up. So if you walk through with this file, you will see whatever things happening with the packets. Small, big, template creation, connection table creation, and everything. And then you will get the output. So now the first packet will get upload access and everything happened with that packet. Now if you see here, you will see subsequent packets. It's saying that the connection found into the table, and based on these connections, the packet is getting allowed or getting processed. So far we are observing how the packet is processing at the first level. Let me take this. Excuse me. So all the key lookups and everything is happening on the packet. Now it's saying that the first packet outbound initiation. So the packet is setting for the outside world. It will leave to the firewall and go to the outside world to reach to the end destination. And as you can see, the complete packet is getting accepted here. And what are the communication? I mean, the packet processing is getting processed. So, observing this output as well, you are not seeing any issue on the packet. Okay, the firewall showing you there is no drop. With this analysis, you are observing there is no issue with the packet. Every stages of the packets are getting processed, and there is no issue at all. You can talk to the customer stating that, see, this is what the firewall is functional function and how the functionality is happening on the packet. So there is no issue on the firewall. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and I hope this video is informative for you. And be try to subscribe my channel and stay tuned, so whatever the latestly uploaded video will come to you as soon as I upload it. Thanks for watching this video, and have a wonderful day, guys.